Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your touchpad isn't responding at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to hardware faults or software conflicts. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications with your device's usability, making simple tasks increasingly difficult. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some tweezers. First, ensure your HP 14F is powered down completely and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover, starting from the edge and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Once you have access to the internals, locate the touchpad connector, which is usually situated near the bottom of the device. You might need to remove a few screws that secure the touchpad in place. These screws are typically small, so use your Phillips screwdriver with a steady hand. When you've removed the screws, gently lift the touchpad free from its housing. Pay attention to any cables connected to it. You'll need to disconnect these before you can fully remove the touchpad. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old touchpad removed, take your new touchpad and carefully connect the cables. Ensure they are firmly in place, as a loose connection can cause further problems. Once connected, position the touchpad back into its housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the components. After securing the touchpad, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device and test the touchpad to ensure it's working correctly. If it's responsive, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the issue. To prevent this problem from occurring again, keep your device clean and avoid any liquid spills. Regularly check for software updates that might affect touchpad functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.